A Jamaican deportee re-enters the United States via Mexico and get prison time. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, so we have to. If you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Help build up the Rastaman panel. A suffering night. You mean, can foreign be this nice? A Jamaican man get deported and he re-enters through Mexico and then he get prison time when him get catch. 32-year-old Jamaican was given 21 months prison sentence in the United States after he was convicted of illegally re-entering the North American country. Imagine, sweet, sweet Jamaica, me nah left ya. Those are the words of our iconic natives. The U.S. Attorney Timothy M. O'Shea announced in a recent news release, Andre Bauer pled guilty to the charge on August 16 during a sentence hearing 2 Fridays ago. The judge noted that Bauer came back to the United States in 2022, the same year he was deported. The judge also expressed concern that Bauer was arrested in Wisconsin using a false name and attempted to pick up a mail parcel containing $18,000 US in cash. Bauer was arrested on June 9th in Grant County. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement were alerted after his fingerprint matched the records during booking process, according to investigations. Bauer admitted to paying a smuggler to bring him across the Mexican border into the United States. April or May of 2022, authorities said the 32-year-old Jamaican was previously convicted in 2017 of conspiracy to commit mail fraud in Louisiana. He is scheduled to his scheme to defraud elderly and vulnerable victims of their money through a fake lottery scheme, according to the investigators. After completing his prison sentence, in that case, he was deported to Jamaica in March of 2022. As a condition of his removal and his supervised release from his mail fraud case, Bauer was ordered not to return to the United States. He was still on supervision release in the fraud case at the time that his 2023 arrest and faced revoking in that case. Imagine, foreign so nice. A man, a big man, 32-year-old big man from Jamaica. Them set him name Bauer. Imagine, Andre Bauer get deported from the United States in 2022 because he was found guilty of fraud, defrauding elderly victims of their money through a fake lottery scheme. Them call that scamming. And a year later, he find himself in America again. And a year later, he's arrested again upon the same charge. Imagine. All those saying that no one are better than yard of fraud because me nah run left my country so many times and go spend time in a foreign jail. Maybe he left somebody in a prison. Imagine, cartel told you, you can't get pum in a prison. I don't know what's in the land of barren. I'm talking about foreign. Met them Jamaicans here have to run left good yard. Imagine if you get the chance, you take the break. But if them kick you out like some snowflakes, you just be life. You are going to travel from way from Jamaica, cross the Caribbean to South America, Mexico, and travel in at the things them, what them say them call them the cartel right now, and get smuggled like some old slaves to go right back to your good old ways. Go pick up 18 grand and now you get 18 more. What I'm saying, 18 months? Imagine a light sentence. I guess they're going to make you have to serve out the time. But guess what? A lot of people have foreign pan their mind. Them wouldn't go a foreign and go a jail than to stay a Jamaica free. Foreign mind! Ladies and gentlemen, Andre Bauer, a 32-year-old Jamaican man, get kicked out. Oh, it's 21 months. Get kicked out of foreign. 2022. By 2023, he's back in America doing the same old. He has been given 21 months in prison sentence in the United States for illegally re-entering the United States of America. Leave your comment. Let me know if a sugar and spice. Why is foreign so nice? Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. I'm talking about build up the Rastaman panel. Leave your comments to the people. Leave your comments.
Yeah, man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah, man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top. What do?